welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you guys all of my favorite cleaning products. A lot of people have asked me what my favorite stuff to use, what I tend to repurchase a lot, and I figured the best way to do that would be just to do a video all on those things. This video is going to be strictly products, not things like vacuum or a mop. But if you want to hear about what my favorite vacuums are or my favorite more cleaning tools, then definitely like this video and I'll be sure to film that for you guys too. Also, be sure to stay till the end of this video because I am going to have a giveaway and I'll go over all of what the giveaway includes and how to enter at the very end. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start out with I have right here, and it's all of the rags that I like to use. So these two come in a set. They also come with a blue one, but these are just microfiber cloths. They're a pretty decent size, and I like that they have multiple colors because I'm able to distinguish where they get used. So I have all the blue ones, those are what I use upstairs, and then these green and yellow ones stay downstairs. That way I know that if they come through the wash, they can go back downstairs so that they're stocked. But I got these off Amazon, so I'll have these linked below. Everything I talk about I'll have linked below. Then for cleaning glass, or anything you're using glass cleaner, so mirrors, windows, etc. I've realized that I didn't really like these, and I don't like paper towels because I feel like they add streaks. So I had looked up, I think I just Googled on Amazon, glass cleaner rags, and this is another kind of microfiber, but it's a much tighter weave. It's not like fuzzy like the other ones. And this one was a little bit more expensive, and I think it came with 5. But these are amazing. They are so good for glass or windows, and glass and windows are the same thing. Windows or mirrors, they are super, super good, and I don't get any streaks. And I'll show you guys what my favorite glass cleaner is, and a combo of these rags and that cleaner is perfect. So I have a couple different cleaners that I like, and I actually have them in this Grow Collaborative little bucket. And this you can get on their site. Sometimes their coupon codes that I have one for myself linked in the below area for you guys, which is a free 5-piece set with my code if you're a new customer. And if you are a existing customer, then you can get the walnut sponges for free in your order. But sometimes they'll include this in that 5-piece set, and if they don't, this is still always available on their site. But I like this actual tin for bringing around the house if I'm doing a lot of cleaning in one day, because I'll just put my dirty rags in here and then I can just put them right in the laundry. So I like this, or you can do exactly what I have in here right now and just put a bunch of cleaners in here, and then you can just carry it wherever you need to go. But I really like this tin, and then we'll go over what's inside. So starting off for glass cleaner, the absolute best glass cleaner in the world. It literally says world's best, and you know if it says world's best, it is the world's best. It has to be. It says it right there. But this is the Sprayway glass cleaner. It's ammonia free, so if ammonia is something you don't want to have in your cleaner, this is free of it. And it's streakless, and I'm telling you, this is streakless, and I absolutely love this. You do shake it up, and you kind of spray it like, this is a new one, so kind of hard to get off, but you just spray it kind of like hairspray, and it is a white foam, and then you can just use your glass cleaning rag to wipe it down. But this is the best, and I found this when we moved into this house. We have tons and tons of windows, we have French doors. I needed a really good glass cleaner because after they were done building the house was covered in dust and all the windows needed wiped down, and every time I used like a form of Windex, it would always leave streaks, and it drove me crazy. And so I found this on accident. I was actually looking for the Sprayway stainless steel cleaner, which I have one that I like, even though it's not the Sprayway one. But I found this, and I love this. And I literally tell everyone to go buy this because it is the absolute best. And if you want to try it, stay tuned till the end of this video. Now, the stainless steel cleaner that I also swear by and tell everyone to go buy is this Magic Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. And this too is a spray. So this one you just shake up and spray. And it is kind of like a 2-step thing, so you have to spray it, wipe it, and then use circular motions with a dry rag. And I just use the microfiber rags that I showed you in the beginning. Okay, so the last more like specialty product that I have is this Wyman glass cooktop, and this is for your stovetop. So if you have an electric glass stovetop, this is gonna be what you're gonna wanna get to clean that. This is a little bit more of like a heavy duty cleaner, so sometimes you can just use an all-purpose cleaner or whatever other cleaner you have to wipe off the top, but this is gonna be something that's really gonna get off if something got burnt on or your water boiled over and there's some hard spots on there. This is really good. I also like the Barkeeper's Friend, but I don't have that one right now. I have this one, and this one's still really, really good. But if you can't find this one, the Barkeeper's Friend is also a really good one. But this I really like, and it definitely gets my stovetop looking new again. Okay, the next couple products are mainly just like generic stuff. So as far as all-purpose cleaner, I like to stick with Method or Mrs. Meyer's, but Mrs. Meyer's is my absolute favorite. It does come with less product, and it is maybe like $1 more expensive, but I find the scents are so much better, and you don't have that chemical smell that sometimes Method all-purpose cleaners have. And the weirdest thing that I find with Method, and you'll have to comment below if this has ever happened to you, but the Method ones tend to be sticky. I find like sometimes if I spray my rag and I've been like wiping a lot of things, it's so sticky. The rag gets sticky that has the spray on it. But if that's ever happened to you, let me know, because sometimes I'm like, maybe something got on the rag, but I don't think so. I think that it is the cleaner. But my favorite is Mrs. Meyer's, and I like a ton of scents. I like the lavender, the bluebell. The bluebell is amazing, and that one I've only ever found on Grove Collaborative's website. I have never found the bluebell cleaner at Target or anywhere like that. But this, I like lavender, bluebell, the mint that they came out with in the spring is really good, the peony, which was in the spring, and then the peppermint in the winter is my favorite. But this is a good classic one too, so I really like this. And then sticking with Mrs. Meyer's, I love their hand soaps. I have them in all my bathrooms. This is the apple cider scent that is part of the fall scents that they came out with. So this is limited edition, but all of the hand soaps are really great. I like rosemary. I have mint in the kitchen right now. Bluebell, of course. In the winter, I love the peppermint, obviously. And they do have like a Christmas tree scent one. That one is really good too in the winter. But these soaps, I think they're really cute. I like how they look in our bathrooms, and I just find that they're really good and they don't dry out my hands at all. And then the last, actually no, second to last thing that I have to share is an antibacterial cleaner, and this is what I like to use in the bathrooms. And this is a Method one. So this is the Method Anti-bac all-purpose cleaner in the citron. When I first bought this, I thought it said citron, and I was like, I think that's an alcohol, but I'm not really sure. But why would you name it citron? But then I was looking at it and I was like, citron, citron. This is the best scented one, and I don't know if this was limited edition for the summer or not, but if you can get your hands on this scent, it is super, super good, and it is safe on kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans. I use it in the bathrooms, and I don't see a problem with that. But this is really good. Definitely read the directions, because sometimes antibacterial cleansers are misunderstood. You can't just spray and wipe. You didn't actually disinfect, because you kind of sprayed it and wiped the cleaner right off. If you want to disinfect, it actually says on here, if you're just cleaning it, spray the surface and wipe. If you're disinfecting it, spray it until it's wet and let it sit for 10 minutes. So if you're trying to get the antibacterial benefits or the bacteria fighting benefits, spray it, let it sit, and then come back and wipe it up. But this one's really good, and this scent smells good. They do have, I think, 2 other scents. They have, what's the purple one? A purple and a green. I think bamboo and something else, but this one is by far my favorite. Okay, and then the last thing that I have to share is maybe kind of gross, but I don't think it's that gross because I'll explain. But this is what I use to clean our toilets, and I swear by this. If you have never tried this and you still have one of those grimy old toilet brushes, throw that to the curb and get one of these. You can get them at Sam's Club, Target, Walmart, probably Bed Bath & Beyond, Amazon, pretty much anywhere. These are the Clorox toilet wands. So right here is the actual wand, but there's no brush on the end. And that is why this is so much better than a toilet brush. One, it's not that ugly, it's kind of cute. And it's so much more sanitary. So this is the wand, this is what you're gonna use to scrub. But in this little top, you can put the actual cleaners. This bag's almost empty, but there is one in there. And they're little sponges that click on to the wand. And they are pre-soaked or have like soap and stuff already in them. So they do disinfect and they will clean your toilets. And all you have to do is snap it on. You dunk it in the toilet for like 2 seconds, scrub all around. Then you go, do not flush them down your toilet though, seriously. If you wanna clog your toilet, flush them. But if you don't flush them. So you're gonna take it out of the toilet and you're gonna stick it in by the trash and you just hit this little, what's this button called? Eject button, and get rid of that. And then I just cleaned this. That way, this is totally clean. You don't have just like germs collecting in your bathroom from what you're cleaning it with, and you're not continuing to stick a dirty brush in your toilet. So I love these. When we first moved, I thought I could just get away with one upstairs and one downstairs to cover the 2 bathrooms downstairs and the 2 bathrooms upstairs. But I quickly realized, who wants to carry this around? Nobody. So I just got one for each bathroom. They're not very expensive, and I get the refill sponges on Amazon. You can get a pack of 30 for like $10 or something. And so if you clean your toilet every week, that's like 30 weeks for 10 bucks. So I don't think it's that expensive, and for me, it's totally worth it because it's not disgusting brush. That's gross. All right, so I know everyone's still here at the end of this video because in the beginning of the video, I mentioned the word giveaway. So here are the deets on the giveaway. First thing that I'm gonna include is this spray away glass cleaner. You'll get a brand new can of this, and you're also going to get one of these glass cleaner rags. Don't worry, you're not gonna get mine. You're gonna get a brand new one, but this will give you the perfect glass cleaning duo. The next thing that you're gonna get is a stovetop cleaner. You can let me know if you want to get this Wyman one or if you want to try the barkeeper's friend. Either one is totally fine. Just let me know which one you want and I'll send you that one. You're also going to get one of the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider hand soaps. So this is one of the fall scents. So I'll put this in there for you. You're going to get a Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner and one of the Magic stainless steel cleaners. So the glass cleaner, the rag, stainless steel, all-purpose cleaner, and a hand soap. So that's 5 of my favorite cleaning stuff that I will send to you. Okay, so how you enter this giveaway is super simple. You just have to be following me on Instagram, subscribed to this channel, and on Instagram, I will have a photo on there that shows everything in the giveaway. You have to like that video and comment below tagging 2 friends that you think also might be interested. So you have until October 17th to be subscribed to this channel, following me on Instagram, and like the photo and tag 2 friends. Hopefully sharing all of my cleaning stuff was very helpful for you guys and gave you a couple ideas on some cleaning products you could get. So definitely enter the giveaway and be on the lookout for some new videos coming up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and definitely check out some of my other videos. I have a whole cleaning motivation playlist that I'll have on the screen at the end. Bye guys.